Alright, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Low Life Daytona. Been out it for a while, decided to do another video. Coronavirus got me locked down just like it got most of y'all out there locked down, so had a lot of time on my hands, so decided to work on my next project for the Charger. Alright, so here's what I decided to do. So what I decided to do is I decided to put some more mid-bass in my Charger. So I originally had replaced all the speakers in the car with some 6.5 components and hooked up another amp to it, but just still wasn't really happy with the sound, so I decided to do some more extreme shit. So I had some 8.5s laying around and some tweeters, some 3.5 inch super tweeters from another car I used to have. And so I just decided to do it, create some fiberglass inserts for my doors. Only issue I ran into really is on these Chargers, the little button for your gas tank, it usually sits down in there in the little cup holder back there. So I had to kind of relocate that up here. And then I actually had to cut into my door. So this is not just the insert, because the magnets on the speaker is so big, I couldn't just do an insert without the speaker sitting out too far. Because as you can see under there, your pedal for your emergency brake sits right there, and if the speaker sit out too far, it would have been hitting up against that, and I didn't want it. So I actually had to cut into my door a little bit, but you can't see it. And these actually sound very good. So, but I have to give y'all a demo another day, because the neighborhood I live in can't really blast no music around here, and I ain't really trying to go drive around just to get some footage of the music playing. So yeah, that's about it for right now, guys. Just wanted to make this quick video, let y'all know what I had going on here. If you guys got any questions about this, materials that I needed to build it, and all that information, just hit me up on the messages. And that's about it for this video. I ain't gonna drag it on, alright? Out.